Healing is not meant to be a solo act. Even the strongest roots grow deeper when they intertwine with others. On your path of recovery, remember that support comes in many forms, and you deserve to receive it. You don't have to do it alone. In the healing journey, every tool we've crafted was chosen with one goal in mind: to help you move from merely surviving to actively rebuilding your life. Think of the healing bundle, the grief ritual kit, or the solstice and lunar kits. Each one is designed to be a gentle companion on your path, a tangible reminder that your healing process deserves structure, beauty, and dedicated care. These aren't strict requirements you have to follow. They are simply invitations to connect with yourself and your process in a meaningful way. But tools are just one part of the equation. Healing also flourishes in connection with other people. This might mean finding a trusted teacher, a compassionate therapist, a local support group, or even a quiet online community where you feel safe enough to just be seen. In these spaces, you don't have to constantly explain your grief or justify your feelings. You just have to show up and be present with whatever you're experiencing. Connection, in its purest form, is a powerful medicine. The practices that will support you the most are the ones you'll actually do. It's not about grand gestures or overwhelming commitments. Instead, choose one small manageable ritual. It could be writing one page in a journal, taking one deep, intentional breath, or lighting one candle to mark a moment of reflection. Let consistency be your quiet courage, your gentle healer. Trust me when I say, you are already doing enough. In our next episode, we'll dive deep into the Survivor's Guidebook. It's the very heart of this series and the roadmap that guides the healing bundle. To continue this journey with us, make sure to subscribe. You can also explore all the resources waiting for you over at neuronestyoga.com. Thank you for being here. You are supported.